Towards the end of October, thousands of acres of land around Pampore near Srinagar in Kashmir get painted with a rich purple hue. Millions of saffron flowers in full bloom. Saffron, one of the most expensive spices in the world, and Pampore in Kashmir, the biggest producer of saffron in India. Each saffron flower has 3 stamens that are red in color, and this is what forms the saffron that is used as a spice. Saffron bulbs are planted in the month of July and flowers are ready for harvest by the end of October.
काटने का सीजन स्टार्ट होता है 20 अक्टूबर से लेकर 25 नवंबर तक। जो फूल का काम है ये हम खुद करते हैं। यहाँ तकरीबन हर कोई अपना ही परिवार काम करता है जो फूलों का काम होता है, लेकिन जो खुदाई का काम होता है उसमें मजदूर लगते हैं।
The harvest season lasts for around a fortnight and is more of a family affair as entire families who own the fields pick these precious flowers. Flower picking begins only after the sun comes up, as picking flowers with early morning dew on them can spoil the delicate saffron flowers. Flower pickers collect flowers in their pirans or else in small plastic baskets. Once the basket or piran is full, the flower pickers deposit the flowers onto a sheet of cloth. At the end of the day's harvest, the sheet is rolled up and taken home. At home, the stamens are separated from the flowers, a process that may look quite simple when in progress, but is quite delicate when looked at closely. The stamen with a white tail is known as lacha, and when the white tail is removed, it is called mogra. This is the most expensive quality of saffron. As saffron is known to sell for high rates in the market, one expects a rosy picture of the financial state of saffron farmers, a belief which turns out to be somewhat untrue, or so it seems as one speaks to the saffron farmers regarding this.
व्यापारियों को हम बेचते हैं किलो के हिसाब से, लेकिन अब पिछले कुछ सालों से रेट इसमें नहीं रही, डुप्लीकेट के असर आ गया है इसमें, अब रेट खास इसमें नहीं है।
थोड़ा सा मार्केट भी होना चाहिए इसमें, मतलब अभी कम भाव में पहले इसमें 4,000-5,000 मतलब रुपया तोला होता है आज 10 साल पहले, लेकिन इसमें इतना गठ के आ गया 1,500 रुपये पर आ गया तोला। मतलब मेहनत उससे ज़्यादा है, मजदूरी उससे ज़्यादा महंगा है आजकल, लेकिन भाव पूरा नहीं आता है इसमें।
The prices that the farmers get for their produce have plummeted from 400 rupees per gram in the beginning of the 2000s to around a meager 150 per gram in recent times, and they are even forced to stock saffron for more than a year in hopes of getting a better price. In India, being grown almost exclusively in Kashmir and being an expensive ingredient used in various Indian dishes, saffron remains an important part of the economy of Kashmir and the taste of India.